Two favorite parts. One would be the John Denver Sanctuary, for sure. And it's just so much fun this week. I mean, the laughter, there was laughter and tears and nature and friends and just heartfelt things that came out, and the lessons I learned from all the different personalities here. Sitting with all of you, just learning of your journeys, and there's a little bit of each person's journey that found its way into me because of something maybe I've experienced, or I'm saving it because I will and I will have learned. So that, to me, my friends.
Yeah.
I'm so grateful. I mean, this is life-changing for me.